Hello, I hope you're well. So today's tapping video is all around helping you to let go. It might be letting go of negative thoughts, letting go of something in the past, some trauma, or anxiety or worry about what might be going on right now. This is just going to help you relieve those feelings of worry, of tension, of stress, whatever it is. So have a think about what you want to let go of. Has it been around for a long time? And just think how that feels in your body. Maybe give that a number. 10 being a really bad feeling, 0 being no feeling at all. And just have a think about how it really impacts your life. And just imagine what life will be like if you could just let go. So we're going to start tapping now on that. If you just tap with me and just get into that feeling for a moment. So I really want to be open to letting go. And I choose to love and accept myself anyway. I just want to be able to let go of the past, whatever it is. Whether it's past anxiety, stress, trauma, I just want to be open to letting go. And instead, I choose to accept myself now anyway. I just don't want to hold on to this anymore. Just imagining what life will look like without this. And I choose to be open to letting go. And I choose to accept myself now anyway. And anyone else that might be involved. I just want to be able to let some of this go. Around the points. So what if I could just let this old stuff go now? It's been around for a long time. And it's causing me maybe anxiety, stress or worry. All these negative thoughts. They're just going round and round in my head. What if I could be open to letting go? Imagine what life would look like without this. And maybe I don't feel like I can let go. Maybe it's been around for such a long time. But I just want to be open to letting go. Instead, I want to feel in a more relaxed mindset. I want to feel more open and carefree. It's as if a weight off my shoulders were being lifted. I just want to be able to feel lighter and lighter. I just feel like this consumes me all the time. Imagining what life would look like if I could just let go of these all-consuming thoughts and let go of these anxieties and stresses around it and all these feelings and tension in my body. What if I could just imagine them washing away? What if I could just choose to know the past is gone? Whether it was last week, last year, or 10 years ago. Maybe I've just been holding on to some of that. And I can feel it somewhere in my body. What if I could just let go? Being open to letting go now. Choosing to feel lighter and lighter. Maybe it doesn't need to consume me all the time. Maybe life would look better without this. Just being open to letting go now. Feeling in a more relaxed space. Feeling lighter and lighter. Maybe it's safe to let go now. Maybe it's okay simply to let go. Whatever is causing me these feelings, I simply don't want to be in this anymore. I'm going to be in control now. I'm choosing to let go. And it feels so good. Choose to release and let go now. Right the way back through my past. That's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Excellent. And again, just check in for a moment, check in with how you're feeling. Repeat this video as and when necessary. And I'd love you to subscribe to my channel if you've not done already. And if you do need any more support, of course, you can contact me directly. I'd love to be able to help. And I hope you're feeling in a good space. Enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, we don't need to hold on to this stuff. You can let go and you're doing amazing. Okay, take care.